Hartford Connects is a little bit unique. It's an enterprise solution, so it's a very large application. And there was an application that preceded Hartford Connect, so my job was to convert the existing system over to ETO. So we got a lot of help from Social Solutions with that in terms of some of the data conversion. And we had a very diverse group of organizations. But the old system really didn't work. It was a homegrown web-based system and they had a lot of problems with it and they really couldn't get data out of it. One of the sites, once we got them up and running, one of the fields they were tracking is neighborhoods. We were able to map addresses to neighborhoods, and within the first hour after we migrated the data, we could produce a pie chart that showed where all their clients lived in the city of Hartford. And based on that, they didn't realize they had such a strong representation in a particular neighborhood, and they were able to get a grant for that neighborhood. Two things that are unique about what we're doing that I think were interesting. One is that we have a link into the public school information, so it's a direct link. If we want to know information about attendance, about grades, that sort of thing for any of the students in the high school and junior high school, certain of the programs that want that information, they can see that. So they know if the kid came to an after-school program and they can check to see, oh, yesterday, hey, you didn't go to school. They can address that, and it's pretty unique to be able to do that. And so we built a web service to be able to do that along with Social Solutions, and that I'm pretty proud of that accomplishment. Hartford is becoming an ETO city. At least we're not only is this youth-oriented enterprise in place, and we're adding on boys and girls clubs. They're coming on board. So the idea is to have all of the youth-oriented programs on this ETO system so that they can kind of horizontally track the kids as well as what they're doing in a particular program. Besides that, the city has, through the Health and Human Services and the younger youth offices through the city of Hartford, they are also going to be a part of ETO. They're not the same enterprise, they're going to be separate, but it's kind of growing out so that the entire city will hopefully be a part of that. Also, the process that we went through to define our outcomes and to sit down and really do the hard work of defining what we're tracking and how to measure it improved the programs themselves. They had to sit down and they had to think about, well, what is it that we do? And here we put it on paper, we laid it out, mapped it out. I've worked with a lot of software over the years. I'm kind of an outside consultant, a software person. And the people at Social Solutions really made a difference, and particularly the support folks. And Claire, you're the best. And also, I just want to say, I've been able to do a lot of good things and make good things happen, but I hope this doesn't wreck the mic, but the only reason I can do that is because underneath it all and behind the scenes, I've got Dave Butts on my team.